How to add money to Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually add money to Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add money to Cash App, all you have to do is just open the Cash App on your device, then make sure to just sign into your account. Then all you need to do is just come to the home tab or the banking icon from the top, and then you can see currently I have zero cash balance. In order to add money, all I need to do is just tap the add cash button over here. Once I tap the add cash button, you have to simply enter the amount of cash that you basically want to add. Could be $10, $25, $50, $100 or $200 by default. But if you want to enter a custom amount, just tap the three dots icon over here. Then make sure to simply enter a custom amount that you want to actually add to Cash App. Then all you need to do is just tap on the add button over here. Once you tap on add button, it'll ask you to simply confirm your cash pin. So go ahead and then make sure to confirm your cash pin. Once you make sure to confirm your cash pin, in order to be able to add money, you need to verify your identity. So just tap on the continue button, then make sure to simply enter your legal name over here. Once you make sure to enter your legal name, just tap the next option. Then make sure to enter your date of birth as well as the birth month as well as the birth year. Once you enter these details, just tap on next. It will ask you to simply enter your full social security number. Make sure to enter your social security number, verify your Cash App account, and to add funds, just link your bank or card or anything else. This is how you can add cash to Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.